Hello, welcome to a quick overview on the Fishoholic fishing gloves. UPF protection, help your hands from getting burnt. Also got the Fishoholic logo, going both directions. But the best features are really the leather and the high use areas on the main fingers. We also have slits right there in those 4 spots. A finger pull here to take it off. But this is the added, hopefully you can see that. All those lines are super added grip. You can see how grippy that is. Setting that hook, really important to have that. Simply, here's a pull to get it on. Pull it right there. Take this, pull it off. The logos are going in the forward direction when you're holding your steering wheel. Not that that matters, but you might like it. This is the gray water reflection camouflage, and there would be the blue water reflection camouflage. Thank you. Get out there and catch some fish, you fishaholics.